Hey guys, this is Mama Made. This is my giant couponing haul for the week of September the 10th through the 16th, 2021. I do shop at Giant, but a lot of times stop and shop at Martin's. We have the same deals, but not always. So make sure you're checking your own ads and prices in store. And then this whole front row here is all with using choice points. And I don't think you guys have that program at either of your stores yet. If you do, go ahead and let me know. But let's go ahead and get into the deals that I did do. The Nestle Splash is on sale for $1. There's $1 digital, so it makes that completely free. I believe I loaded that a while ago, so I don't know if you didn't load that. It might not be available. Now, it's also part of a spend. Buy 10 items, save $2, but I didn't have a scenario for that, so I just went ahead and grabbed one of them. The Taste of Inspirations hummus, I did grab two of them. I absolutely love hummus, and my son, when he saw me putting it in the cart, he told me thank you. So it was super cute. He loves hummus too. My 3-year-old loves hummus, so I don't know, but it's super delicious, and their brand is pretty good. So it's buy one, get one free at $3.50, making them $1.75 a piece. That's an okay price if you like hummus, so I just wanted to throw that in there. Sometimes I buy things that aren't like really good deals, and I don't include them in my haul just because they're standard grocery items. So I grabbed these potatoes. If you use 75 of your choice points, you can get these for free. It's 1.5 pounds of potatoes for 75 cents or 75 choice points. So that's a good enough deal for me. I know you get better value if you fill up your car with 25 gallons of gas, but I don't have that capacity. So for me, it equals about to be the same whether I use my grocery dollars or points or whatnot. And whenever they have like offers for food, it's usually an incredible price. So 75 cents for potatoes. All these potatoes were like $5.50 for 10 pounds, which is crazy. I think it was 10 pounds. I don't know. So I grabbed those for 75 cents. The cook in a bag, this offer popped up again last week. So I went ahead and did it again. So they did it 2 weeks in a row. So I grabbed this here with 350 of my choice points. So if you didn't load that, I think you have to load, or you have to spend your points Wednesdays whenever they come out. They come out on Thursdays, and you have to spend it by Wednesday or the new offers show up on Thursdays. So keep that in mind. The cooked chicken, this is an 8-piece. It's regularly $6.99. If you use 175 of your choice points, you're gonna pay $1.75 for a big thing of chicken, which is a really good deal. The cashier that always helps me out, she says, I like using she's like, I saw that, but I like the gas savings, which I understand if you have a bigger vehicle, it is, but $1.75, I don't have to cook chicken. That's a cheap meal. That'll probably last our family 2 meals. And then the 5-point freebie of the week. I have a video on how to do that. These are the pumpkin pie Pop-Tarts. I told you in my ad preview, I wanted to check and see if they were gonna be part of the deal because they're the same size boxes of these. Part of the spend 15, save $8. But these are ringing up at $3, not $2.50, and then they aren't part of this deal. So make sure you don't get that confused. These were not found in the Pop-Tart aisle. They had these, they have like a seasonal kind of aisle where they put like their overload of deal items close to the produce. So I saw them there, and I also saw them on the end cap. So check your end caps, check your other displays if you don't see them with the Pop-Tarts. I don't know if I already said, but I have a video on how to redeem your points for the freebie. Okay, so let's do the spend 15, save $8 instantly. I grabbed 4 of the Pop-Tart items at $2.50 a piece. I grabbed the Coke with coffee at $5.99. It's gonna be a gift for my husband for Christmas because he loves that stuff. So for the Pop-Tart items at $2.50, there was 50-cent printables on the Pop-Tart bites. I think you can use them on the crisps as well, but my family likes the bites. And you can print that 2 times. And then I also used $1 off of 2 printable on the Pop-Tarts. Now these are found on the Kellogg's Family Rewards website, not on coupons.com. So make sure you have an account. You could also, to make this deal cheaper, buy some more Pop-Tarts and make your total $15 if you buy 2 more boxes and not get the Coke. You can redeem some points for Pop-Tarts if you want to make your out-of-pocket even less. But I went with the Coke since this is a good deal for me. So the total price was $4.99 after the instant savings and all my coupons. That 50-cent bites coupon, both of them do double. So it makes them only $1 a piece. So that's a good enough deal for me. Again, I said a lot less out of pocket if you want to grab some more Pop-Tarts and get some coupons there. The Perdue, I forgot to look and see if I could print off any coupons, but I don't have any chicken nuggets right now, so I went ahead and did this deal. They're $3.49 at buy one, get one free, making them $1.75 a piece. These guys used to be only $2.99, so we're definitely seeing some price increases. The Gain, I thought about not even buying this. I checked out online, and this guy here, he is the original 51. That is a lot of pods, or flings, I guess are what they're called. It's $13.79 regular price. There is a deal, buy 3, save $15. This guy is working, and it's also on clearance for $8.27. So if you bought all 3 of them, you used a $3 digital, you can use a $3 coupon from the P&G Good Every Day, which I printed it, and now it's going to waste because I didn't grab 3 of them because my store only had 1 left on the shelf, but I still grabbed it. I wanted to include this in my haul. And this price isn't bad. There was a $3 digital that attached, making it only $5.27. But guys, digitally, it's working. If you grab 3 of them, the $15 was coming off. So the total was like 6 something. And then I think it was 6 something. And then if you use that $3 printable coupon, not the digital, it'll bring it down to like, what was that, $3.27 for 3 of those huge things. So hopefully you guys are able to find it. That would be an amazing deal. If you score that, please let me know. I would love to hear that someone was able to grab a really good deal. All right, guys, if you have any additional deals you want to share with everyone, feel free to leave those in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.